Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to send automated WhatsApp message for new WooCommerce order. So here I'm running my e-commerce store by using WooCommerce, and now what I want is that as I'm going to receive a new order through WooCommerce, then automatically I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to my customer by confirming their order. So here for sending the message on WhatsApp, I'm going to use Wati, and for my objective, I have to build a connection between WooCommerce and Wati. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, as I'm going to receive a new order through WooCommerce, then automatically I'm going to send an automated message on WhatsApp by using Wati. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can send automated WhatsApp message for new WooCommerce order. So imagine I'm an online store owner and I'm using WooCommerce to manage my e-commerce business. So every time a customer places a new order, it's crucial to send them a prompt confirmation to assure them that their purchase was successful, and WhatsApp is a highly effective channel for such communication. But however, manually sending a WhatsApp message for every new order can be a tedious task, especially as my business grows. So by automating this process using Pabbly Connect, I can ensure that every customer receives an immediate WhatsApp message confirming their order, and along with important details such as order number, total amount, and delivery date. So here I'm running this online store on WooCommerce, and now what I want is that as I'm going to receive a new order from this store, then automatically I'm going to send an automated WhatsApp message to my customer, and with that message I'm going to confirm the order that my customer has placed. So for sending the message on WhatsApp, I'm going to use Wati, which is my WhatsApp API platform. And now this automation will ensure that every customer receives immediate confirmation of their order through WhatsApp, and this will enhance their shopping experience and reduce the likelihood of order related inquiries, and it will be a great way to improve customer satisfaction and maintain an effective communication as my business grows. So here I'm going to connect WooCommerce with Wati with the help of Pabbly Connect. And Pabbly Connect is an amazing software for automation and integration, and now with Pabbly Connect, I'm going to build this connection without any coding and programming skills. So for using Pabbly Connect, I need to open a new tab, and here I need to search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser, and this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here in this page, I have two options of sign in and sign up for free. If we don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then we can just click on this sign up for free button, and this will take only 2 minutes of our time, and we will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if we already have an account, we can just sign in and we will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I just need to click on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect, and this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, what I need to do is I need to click on this Create Workflow button, and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to send automated WhatsApp message for new WooCommerce order. Now what I need to do is I need to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I'm going to open this tab, and here in this tab I will find all the folders that I have in my Pabbly Connect account, and here I'm going to use this particular folder of WooCommerce. So I'm going to select this, and now I need to click on Create. And this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here in this window, I have two boxes of trigger and action. So trigger and action are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action is just going to follow that. And in our workflow, we can only set up single trigger step and multiple action steps. So here what I need to do is I need to first set up my trigger, and here for setting up my trigger, I need to first select my trigger application. And here in my trigger application, I need to use WooCommerce. So I'm going to search for that, and I need to select WooCommerce here. Now I have to give a trigger event, so I'm going to open this tab, and new order created will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this. And now what I need to do is I need to connect WooCommerce with Pabbly Connect in my workflow, and for that I need to use this webhook URL. So this webhook URL is going to work as a bridge between WooCommerce and Pabbly Connect, And after connecting WooCommerce with Pabbly Connect by using this webhook, as soon as there will be a new order placed on my WooCommerce store, then automatically I'm going to get that order detail in Pabbly Connect. So for connecting these two applications, I need to follow all these instructions. And first I need to copy this webhook URL. And now I need to take you to my WooCommerce account, and I have WooCommerce as a plugin in my WordPress account. So I'm going to take you to WooCommerce. And now here in WooCommerce, what I need to do is I need to go to settings. And here in settings, what I need to do is I need to go to advanced. And in advanced, I will go to webhooks. Now here in webhooks, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use webhook, and by using webhook, I'm going to connect WooCommerce with Pabbly Connect for getting the detail of the new order placed on my WooCommerce store. So here what I need to do is I need to click on this create a new webhook button. And here I need to fill all these details. So first I need to give a webhook name. So here I'm going to give webhook name as WooCommerce order. And now I'm going to give my status. So I'm going to open this tab and I'm going to give the status of active. And I need to select my topic. So I'm going to open this tab. And here I'm going to use the topic of order created. So this is going to be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this. And now I'm going to give my delivery URL. So here I'm going to paste my webhook URL that I have copied from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste that here. And now I have filled all the required details. So I'm going to click on Save Webhook button. And here I have successfully added my webhook. And as I have added this webhook, I have connected WooCommerce with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see in Pabbly Connect, it has given me this webhook ID. So this means that I have connected WooCommerce with Pabbly Connect by using webhook. Now what I need to do is I need to click on this reCAPTCHA webhook response button. I will click on yes. And now here it is waiting for a webhook response. So how I'm going to get this webhook response? For that, what I need to do is I need to place a new order on my WooCommerce store. So for placing a new order and for getting this response, I'm going to take you to WooCommerce store. And here this is my WooCommerce store and I have all these products. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make an order for any of the product. And here for making the order, what I need to do is I need to add any of the product into the cart. So here I'm going to add this blue round neck t-shirt. So I'm going to add this to cart. And now I'm going to scroll down and I need to click on proceed to checkout. And now here in checkout, what I need to do is I need to fill all these details. So I'm going to fill the detail of a customer. So here the first name of my customer is going to be demo. Last name will be user. I'm going to give a company name that will be demo company. Now I need to select my country that is already selected, which is India. I'm going to give my street address, which will be my shipping address too. So the street address is going to be New Street. Apartment will be A23. And I'm going to give the town or city that is going to be Bhopal. My state is selected, which is Madhya Pradesh. I'm going to give a random zip code. And I'm going to give the random phone number of my customer. And I'm going to give the email address that will be demouser@pabblytudes.com. Now I have filled all the required details. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on place order button. And here I have created this order. So I have created this order with the payment method of cash on delivery and my customer has successfully placed this order and I have all these details of the customer. Now what I need to do is I need to go back to Pabbly Connect. Now here we can see I have received this response and this is the response of my order that has been placed on my WooCommerce store. So here I have all these details of my order, like I have the total amount of my order that is of 2100 rupees. I have the product name that is blue round neck t-shirt which is of quantity 1. Also here I have all other detail of my customer, like I have the shipping state that is Madhya Pradesh. I have the random postcode. Also I have the name of my customer that is demo user. I have the company name that is demo. I have the shipping country that is IN which is for India. I have the city that is Bhopal. Street address is A23 New Street. And I have the payment method that is of cash on delivery. And I have my order number. So here we can see as I have created a new order on my WooCommerce store, automatically I have received the detail of that order in Pabbly Connect. Now as I have received all these details of my order, now what I need to do is I need to send a confirmation message on WhatsApp to my customer that I have successfully received their order, and I'm going to confirm this by sending a WhatsApp message by using Wati. So here what I want is that as I have received a new order on my WooCommerce store, then automatically I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to my customer to confirm their order. So for sending the message, I need to set up my actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab, and here my action application is going to be Wati. So I'm going to search for that, and I'm going to select Wati here. Now I have to give my action event. So I'm going to open this tab, and send template message will be my action event. So I'm going to select this. And now I'm going to connect Wati with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection. And now for connecting Wati with Pabbly Connect, I need to give my API endpoint and the access token. So how I'm going to get all these details? For that, what I need to do is I need to first log into my Wati account, and then I need to go to API docs where I will find my API endpoint and the access token. So for getting these details, I'm going to take you to my Wati account. And now here I need to go to API docs. And here in API docs, I have the access token and API endpoint. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy these details and I'm going to paste that in Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to do that. And here in Pabbly Connect, I have added the required details. Now what I need to do is I need to click on save. And here I have connected Wati with Pabbly Connect. Now what I need to do is I need to first give the WhatsApp number. And here for giving the WhatsApp number, what I need to do is I need to use the number of my customer that I've received through my order of WooCommerce. And now here what I need to do is I need to use that response from my previous tab of WooCommerce. And by using that response, I'm going to map that in this tab. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my customer detail and I'm going to map that detail here in this tab of Wati. So for that, I need to use mapping. And what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous tabs, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I need to click here. I will open this response of WooCommerce, and here I need to search for the phone number or the mobile number of my customer. So I'm going to search for that. And here this is the phone number of my customer. So I'm going to map this. And here I have mapped the mobile number of my customer, and this is the WhatsApp number of my customer too. But here in the WhatsApp number, what I need is I need the WhatsApp number without the plus sign. And I'm receiving my customer mobile number with the plus sign. So what I need to do is I need to remove this plus sign from this mobile number. And for that, what I need to do is I need to add one more actions tab between WooCommerce and Wati. So I'm going to add that actions tab here. And here for excluding the plus sign from the WhatsApp number of the customer, I need to use text formatter by Pabbly. So I'm going to search for that. And I'm going to select text formatter by Pabbly here. Now I have to give my action event. So I'm going to open this tab. And for excluding the plus sign, I'm going to use split text. So I'm going to select this as my action event. And I'm going to connect text formatter by Pabbly with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on connect. And now I need to give the text to split. So again here I'm going to map the mobile number or the phone number of my customer from my response of WooCommerce. So I'm going to click here. I will open the response of WooCommerce, and here I'm going to search for the phone number. And here this is the phone number of my customer. So I'm going to map this. And now what I need to do is I need to split this text with this plus sign. So here I need to give the separator for splitting my text. And here the plus sign is going to be my separator. And now what I need to do is I need to give my segment index. So I'm going to open this tab, and second is going to be my segment index. So I'm going to select this, and I'm going to click on save and send test to this button. And here we can see by using text formatter by Pabbly, I have splitted the phone number of my customer and I have excluded the plus sign from this phone number. Now I can use this and I can map that in my Wati tab. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this tab of Wati. And now I'm going to clear this mobile number, and I'm going to open this response of text formatter. And here this is the resultant mobile number. So I'm going to map this. So this is going to be the WhatsApp number of my customer. And now what I need to do is I need to use template for sending the message on WhatsApp. So for selecting the template, I need to take you to my Wati account. I need to go to templates. And here in templates, we can see I have created this template of WooCommerce order. And if you haven't created any new template, for that what you need to do is you need to click on this new template message button, and you need to follow all the instructions, and you need to customize the message that you want to use in your template for sending the messages to your customers. So after customizing the message, you need to take the approval of your template by Wati, and after taking the approval, you will see your templates like this. So here I have this template of WooCommerce order, and I'm going to use this template, and I have taken the approval here too. So I'm going to show you this template. And here this is my template and this is the customized message that I'm going to send to my customer for confirming their order. So this is my order confirmation message and here this is my message that says hello name. So this name is the variable and here in my message I've added all these variables like the name, order number, status, total and the address of my customer. So all these variables are going to get replaced with the detail of my customer that I'm going to receive from my order in WooCommerce, and automatically all these variables are going to get replaced. So here the message is, hello customer name, thank you for your order. Here are your order details. I'm going to add the order detail like the order number, order status, total amount, shipping address. We will notify you once your order has been shipped. If you have any questions, feel free to reply to this message or contact our support team at, this is the support team number. Thank you for shopping with us. Best regards. So this is going to be my message that I'm going to send to all my customers who are going to place order in WooCommerce. Now I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here for selecting the template, you need to open this tab. And here in this tab, you will find all the templates that you have in your Wati account. And I'm going to use this template of WooCommerce order. So I'm going to select this. And now I need to give my broadcast name. So in my message, I don't have any broadcast name. So I'm going to use none here. And now I need to give my custom params. So here custom params are going to be my variables. And here I need to fill all my variables and the value. And here for giving my variables, I need to use this format. And all my variables are going to be in name value pair. So here what I need to do is I need to use the name value of my variables like this in curly bracket, and for the multiple variables I need to separate these curly brackets by comma. So here I'm going to first copy this. I'm going to paste that in the place of custom params. And now here I need to first give the name of my variables. So I'm going to clear this color. I'm going to take you back to Wati. And here in my template, I have this variable of name. So this is my first variable. So I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect. And in this double quote, I'm going to add the name of my variable that is of name. So I have added that. And in the place of value, I'm going to clear this blue. And now I'm going to map the value of the variable. So I'm going to open this response of WooCommerce. And here I'm going to search for the name of my customer. So this is the name of my customer, which is demo. So I'm going to map this. I will give a space and I'm going to map the last name, that is user. Now I have to add the other variables too. So I have given a comma. I'm going to copy this curly bracket again. I'm going to add that here. And now in the similar manner, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the name of my variables and I'm going to map the value. So I'm going to clear this company and I'm going to go back to Wati. And here this is my second variable, which is of order number. So I'm going to add that in the name. So I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect, and in this double quote, I'm going to add my variable name, which is of order underscore number. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give the value. So I'm going to clear this MB, and now I'm going to again open this response of WooCommerce, and here I'm going to search for my order number. So here this is my order number. So I'm going to map this, and similarly like this, I'm going to add all my variables and their values. Now here I have added all the details of my variable and I have added the values. Now what I need to do is I need to click on Save and Send Test to Quit button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have sent a WhatsApp message automatically to my customer with my template that I had on Wati. So here I have sent this confirmation message on WhatsApp to my customer who has placed the order on my WooCommerce store. So to check whether I have received the message or I have sent the message on WhatsApp or not, I'm going to open WhatsApp. Now here on WhatsApp, we can see I have received this message, that is order confirmation message. Hello demo user. So this was the name of my customer. Thank you for your order. Here are the order details. So here I have my order number. I have the status that is of processing. I have the total amount of 2100 rupees. And this is my shipping address, that is 823 New Street, Bhopal. We will notify you once your order has been shipped. If you have any questions, feel free to reply to this message or contact our support team at this number. Thank you for shopping with us. Best regards. So this was my template message that I had in Wati, and by using that template message, I have sent this confirmation message on WhatsApp to my customer who has placed an order on WooCommerce. So here we can see that as I have received a new order through WooCommerce for my business, then automatically I have sent a confirmation message on WhatsApp confirming that I have successfully received their order, and I have sent that on WhatsApp by using Wati. So here I have successfully created this automation between WooCommerce and Wati, and now as I'm going to receive new orders through WooCommerce, then automatically I'm going to send WhatsApp messages for confirming their order on WhatsApp by using Vati. So here I've successfully created this connection and this automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. And now with this automation, I can have instant communication with all my customers who are going to place order on my WooCommerce store. Now I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, I have connected WooCommerce with Vati to automatically send automated WhatsApp message for new WooCommerce order. Now let's summarize what we did here. So first I've set up my trigger, and my trigger application was WooCommerce, and my trigger event was new order created. Then I've set up my actions tab, and my action application was text formatter by Pabbly. And here I have used text formatter to split the text of my mobile number so that I can use that in Vati for sending the message. Then in the last I have used Vati as my action application, and my action event was send template message. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.